So here we'll be deriving the trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees and 30 degrees. First one is 60 degrees. For that, let me draw a triangle in its standard position. So this will be our positive x-axis and this will be our positive y-axis. This is our right angle triangle which is having the angle 60 degrees. So I'll be labeling this triangle as A, B, and C. The angle here is 90 degrees. In order to complete this triangle, let us find out angle B, which we don't know. First, let us consider the triangle ABC. In this triangle, our angle A is 60 degrees. That is angle CAB. So we have angle CAB to be equal to as 60 degrees. Next is our angle C, which is 90 degrees. That is our angle ACB is 90 degrees. Angle ACB is 90 degrees. We don't know the angle B. That is our angle ABC. So for that, we can use a rule that for all, the sum of the interior angles of triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. That is for all, angle A plus angle B and angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. Angle A CAB, our angle C is ACB and our angle B is ABC, which we have to find out. We have our angle A to be equal to 60 degrees. That is our angle CAB. CAB is equal to 60 degrees. So we have 60 degrees plus we don't know angle B, which we'll be finding out, and our angle C is 90 degrees, which is here. So our angle ACB is 90 degrees. Our angle C is 90 degrees. So when we do the calculations, we will get our angle B to be equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. So therefore our angle B, that is our angle ABC, will be equal to 30 degrees. That is our angle ABC is equal to 30 degrees. Here the angle is 30 degrees. Now triangle is complete. So in order to find out the trigonometric ratios of the angle 60 degrees, we need to know the sides of this triangle. That is our side AC, AB and BC, which we don't know. First, let us assume our side AC to be equal to A. Let me write that down. Our length AC is equal to A. So, in order to find out the other two sides of the triangle, let me draw a equilateral triangle. That is our triangle ABD. This triangle here is an equilateral triangle, which is our triangle ABD. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we can say that our angle here will be 60 degrees, because equilateral triangle means the triangle which is having equal sides and equal angles. So here our angle is 60 degrees, angle A 60 degrees, angle D will be 60 degrees and our angle B here will be 60 degrees. So here for this triangle we already have the angle B to be equal to 30 degrees. This angle here will also be 30 degrees. That is our angle for this triangle BCD. Angle B here will be 30 degrees. So here this triangle will have 30 degrees. So now this triangle will also be complete. 60 degrees plus 30 degrees will be 90 degrees. So if we use the same technique which we use here, we will get this angle to be 90 degrees, which we already have here, because this side BC is perpendicular to our x-axis and therefore it will be perpendicular to our side CD. So now what we can say that if this side AC is having length A, since it is an equilateral triangle, this side is also having the length A, because this median here is dividing the equilateral triangle equally. So now we can say that if AC is equal to A, then AC is equal to CD, which is having the length A. We got the values for one of the sides of the equilateral triangle. That is our side AD is having the length 2A. That is A plus A will make 2A. So now we can say that this side AD is equal to side AC plus side CD. So AC plus CD is making AD. So the value of AC is A plus CD. The length of CD is A. So we have 2A. So now the length of this side AD is equal to 2A. Since it is an equilateral triangle, triangle, we can say that AD is equal to AB, which is equal to BD. This sides will also have the length 2A. So we can write here the length of AB is 2A and the length of BD is 2A. Let us write it down in our steps. That is AD is equal to AB, which is equal to BD, which is equal to 2A. In order to find the trigonometric ratios for the angle 60 degrees, which is part of this triangle ABC, we have the value of the side AB, that is 2A, and we have the value of this side AC, which is A units. Now we have to find out the value of this side BC, which we don't know. Since this is a right angle triangle, we can follow the Pythagoras theorem. That is, for all, the square of the hypotenuse side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. That is our AB square. So now we are concentrating on this triangle ABC. The hypotenuse side here is AB. So AB square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides of the triangle. That is AC square plus AC square plus BC square plus BC square. In order to find out value for this side of the triangle, we can rearrange this equation as BC square is equal to AB square. So here we are bringing our AC square to left hand side. When we do that, our positive value will become negative. So therefore we have AB square minus AC square. So in order to find BC, we can take square root of the right hand side. So square root of whole AB square minus AC square. Value of AB is 2A. So it will be square root of 2A whole square minus AC. The value of AC here is A. So minus A square. So we will get square root of 4A square minus A square. We are left out with square root of 3A square. The square root of A square is A. A will come out of the square root. We are left out with square root of B. So now we have the value of BC to be equal to as A root 3 units. So now we have the value of side BC, A root 3. So now we have the values for all three sides of this triangle. That is, our side AB is equal to 2A, our side AC is equal to A, and our side BC is equal to A root 3. So now we can apply our definitions of trigonometric functions and find out the ratios easily. First function is sine 60 degrees. Usually the definition of sine theta will be opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side will usually be the perpendicular side of the triangle. From now on, we can concentrate on our triangle which we drew at the beginning. That is our triangle ABC. The opposite side of the triangle will be the perpendicular side of the triangle. That is our side AB. This side is considered as the opposite side of the triangle because this side is opposite to our angle theta, that is 60 degrees. So we have our opposite side which has a value A root 3 units, and our hypotenuse side is the side of the triangle which is opposite to the angle 90 degrees. So our angle here C is having 90 degrees. The side of the triangle which is opposite to this angle 90 degrees is our side AB. AB has the value of 2A. That is, the length of AB is equal to 2A. So it will be A root 3 divided by 2A. A and A will cancel out each other and we are left out with root 3 by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Next is our cos 60 degrees. The definition is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. The adjacent side of the triangle is adjacent to our angle theta. So that is our side AC. This side AB is never considered as the adjacent side of the triangle because this side of the triangle is opposite to our 90-degree angle. So usually we consider that side which is opposite to our 90-degree angle as the hypotenuse side of the triangle. So our adjacent side of the triangle is AC and it is having the value A. Hypotenuse side of the triangle is AB, which is having the value 2A. So 2A. A and A will cancel out each other. We are having 1 by 2. Next is tan, that is tangent 60 degrees. Tangent 60 degrees is having the definition opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite side of the triangle is, as I said before, is the perpendicular side of the triangle and it is having the value A root 3. So it is A root 3 and divided by the the adjacent side of the triangle, which is, as I said before, is the side AC, which is adjacent to our angle 60 degrees, which is having the value A. So it will be A. So A and A will cancel out each other and we are left out with value root 3. So next three functions are the reciprocal of the previous three functions. First one is cosecant theta, that is cosecant 60 degrees, which is having the definition hypotenuse side of the triangle divided by the opposite side of the triangle, that is the perpendicular side of the triangle. Hypotenuse side of the triangle, as I said before, is AB, and the opposite side of the triangle, as I said before, is the perpendicular, that is A root 3. AB is having the value 2A. So this will be equal to 2A divided by A root 3. A and A will cancel out each other. We are left out with 2 root 3. So here we can see that cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, that is sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 and cosecant 60 degrees is 2 root 3. Next is secant theta or sec theta, that is sec 60 degrees. So which is having the definition hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse side, as I said before, is our side AB and it is having the value 2A. So 2A, and our adjacent side is our side AC and it is having the value A. So A and A will cancel out each other and we are left out with 2. So here we can see that secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. The value of cos theta is 1 by 2. Sec theta is 2. Last angle is cot theta, that is cotangent theta, that is cot 60 degrees, whose definition is always adjacent side of the triangle by the opposite side of the triangle. So as I said before, adjacent side of the triangle is AC and it is having the value A, and our opposite side of the triangle is BC and it is having the value A root 3. So it will be A divided by A root 3. So it is A divided by A root 3. So A and A will cancel out each other. So we are left out with 1 divided by root 3. So here we can see that cot theta or cot 60 degrees is reciprocal of tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees has a value root 3 and cot 60 degrees has the value 1 by root 3. Here we found out the ratios of the trigonometric functions for angle 60 degrees. First one is sine 60, whose value is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degrees has the value 1 by 2. Tan 60 degrees has the value root 3. Cosecant 60 degrees has the value 2 by root 3, which is the reciprocal of sine 60 degrees. Secant 60 degrees has the value 2, which is the reciprocal of cos 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees is the reciprocal of tan 60 degrees. So the value of cot 60 degrees is 1 by root 3. Next is our angle 30 degrees. So for that we will be considering the same triangle because this triangle is already having the angle 30 degrees. I have redrawn the same triangle which is here. Here also we'll be concentrating on the triangle ACB, which is in yellow. The adjacent side and the opposite side of the triangle will differ because our theta is 30 degrees. Our theta here is 30 degrees. First one is sine 30 degrees, which is having the definition opposite side divided by the hypotenuse side. Opposite side here is the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle theta, that is 30 degrees. So the side of the triangle which is opposite to angle 30 degrees is side AC, whose length is A, which we previously found out here, which we assumed here. That is our side AC is A. So opposite is A and our hypotenuse side will be the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle 90 degrees. So this is our angle 90 degrees and the side of the triangle which is opposite to angle 90 degrees is AB, which is having the value 2A. So it will be A divided by 2A. A and A will cancel out each other. We are left out with 1 by 2. Next is cos 30 degrees, which is having the definition adjacent side of the triangle divided by the hypotenuse side of the triangle. Adjacent side of the triangle which is adjacent to our angle theta, that is our side BC, which is having the value A root 3. We cannot consider AB to be the adjacent side of the triangle because this side of the triangle is opposite to our angle 90 degrees. This side is usually considered as the hypotenuse side of the triangle. So our adjacent side of the triangle here is BC and its value is equal to A root 3. So we will have A root 3 divided by hypotenuse side of the triangle. Hypotenuse side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle 90 degrees, that is AB, whose value is 2A. So 2A. So A and A will cancel out each other. We are left out with square root of 3 divided by 2. Next is tangent 30 degrees or tan 30 degrees, whose definition is opposite side of the triangle divided by the adjacent side of the triangle. So opposite side of the triangle which is opposite to angle 30 degrees is our side AC. So this side is now considered as the perpendicular side of the triangle. This side cannot be considered as the perpendicular side of the triangle because since our theta is 30 degrees, this becomes the adjacent side of the triangle or the base of the triangle. So therefore, the side AC will be our opposite side of the triangle and this will be our perpendicular side. So if this is the perpendicular side of the triangle, this side will be the base of the triangle. So now our opposite side is A divided by the adjacent side. That is the side of the triangle which is adjacent to our angle theta, that is BC, which is having the value A root 3. So divided by A root 3. A and A will cancel out each other. We are left out with 1 by root 3. Next three trigonometric functions are the reciprocal of the previous three trigonometric functions. First one is cosecant theta, that is cosecant 30 degrees, whose definition is hypotenuse divided by opposite. The hypotenuse side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle 90 degrees, that is our side AB, and it has a value 2A equal to 2A divided by opposite side of the triangle. Opposite side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle theta, that is 30 degrees, that will be side AC, which is having the value A. So here A and A will cancel out each other. We are left out with 2. Next one is secant 30 degrees or sec 30 degrees, which has having the definition hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse side, as I previously said before, is the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle 90 degrees, that is our side AB, which is having the value 2A. So it will be 2A divided by the adjacent side of the triangle. Adjacent side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is adjacent to our angle is the side BC, that is A root 3. That is A root 3. A and A will cancel out each other and we are left out with 2 by root 3. Here we can see that cosecant 30 degrees is the reciprocal of sine 30 degrees because the value of sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2 and the value of cosecant 30 degrees is 2. Next, secant 30 degrees is the reciprocal of cos 30 degrees. The value of cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 and the value of secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. Next is cot 30 degrees, that is cotangent 30 degrees, which is the reciprocal of tan 30 degrees and whose definition is adjacent side by the opposite side. The adjacent side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is adjacent to our angle theta, that is BC, whose value is A root 3. So A root 3 divided by the opposite side of the triangle. The side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle theta is our side AC, which is having the value A. Here it will be A. A and A will cancel out each other. We are left out with root 3. So here we can see that cot 30 degrees is the reciprocal of tangent 30 degrees. The value of tangent 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 and the value of cot 30 degrees is root 3. So in order to derive the trigonometric functions of the angle 30 degrees, all these steps must be followed in order to come down to this conclusions. That is, the side AC is A, the side AB is 2A, the side BC is A root 3, and then finally when it comes to our angle theta, instead of considering our angle 60 degrees here, we have to consider our angle 30 degrees, which is here, and then use the definitions of the trigonometric functions and find the values. If you understood the concept, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you.